Ikaw lang? Hindi hadlang yan. Anak, nakaka-relate ka ba sa tanong na to? Paano kung ikaw lang ang may gustong magnegosyo sa pamilya? Ikaw na ang marketing, labor at lahat-lahat. May chance bang lumago ang small business mo? Alam mo anak, ganyan din si Mel noon. When she started her food business, siya lang mag-isa. Hindi naman kasi expected ng family niya na serious siya sa business. Kala nila, racket lang or pampalipas oras. Diba? It's frustrating when the people closest to you don't share your vision. But listen, ang importante, you believe in what you're doing. And so, nag-focus siya sa strengths niya, which was creating lumpia products at doon siya nagsimula. Nag-set siya ng realistic expectations. Hindi kailangan perfect lahat, kaya inuna niya ang task na nagdadala ng income agad-agad. Since wala siyang full support from family, naghanap siya ng sariling support system by joining business groups at connecting with other small business owners. Ito yung lesson. Starting solo does not mean staying solo forever. As you grow and earn, you can start outsourcing tasks that drain your energy. Kaya, huwag matakot na magsimula mag-isa. Many successful businesses began as a one-person show. And ang importante is to take small but consistent steps. So remember, your business journey is uniquely yours. Hindi kailangan pareho tayo ng path with others. Let's be business-minded Pinoy.